Welcome back. After the process of batch lime soda, now we have to see the process of continuous lime soda. Now in this continuous cold lime soda process is there, means this process is carried out at the room temperature. Before that, I welcome you all the students in my YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Jyoti Shevukar, and today's topic of our discussion is softening of water, in which just in the first before the video which just we have done, in that we have already seen that how the batch lime soda process is carried out, while the second process is continuous cold lime soda process. In this, it is understood by this word itself that the process is continuous, means there is no wastage of any time. So here I have already drawn this diagram for the sake of our saving of our time. So here there is a cylindrical container which is placed on a particular stands. Now here there are two chambers shown in the diagram. Generally it is a two-dimensional diagram, but it is just a cylindrical portion. So when we imagine like that, it is easy to understood. So in this way, it is a large cylindrical container. It is a very much having a very large size in different meters, and also it is broad, particularly more than 1.5 meter, more than that generally. So here there are two chambers. In the central portion there is placed a stirrer. Now in that process which we have seen, there was a mechanical stirrer, but here there is a stirrer which is having a support of electricity. Here we have placed a motor and driving belt by which that rotations of stirrer can be handled or can be operate. Now here there is a container, large container. This particular large container is called as the outer chamber, while the another inner chamber is given there which is called as the inner chamber. Now in inner chamber, it is also a cylindrical, vertically we can see, and at the center of this there is placed a vertical stirrer. Now this stirrer is having a very sharp blades, so that those all process is carried out in a very few seconds during the addition of water from the upper side. Now how process is carried out we will see. Before that, this is a wooden fabric filter which is inside the container. It is fitted. So outer outlet is given there, filtered and softened water outlet, while here their chemicals are to be inletted. Then here raw water inletted, then stirrer blades and sedimented sludge at the bottom, while from this particular opening sludge outlet is there. So in this way the labeling and construction of diagram is there. Now after that, the working process. In this case, in working, at first the raw water is inletted from the central cylindrical portion where there is a fixed particular stirrer with a very sharp blades. Now when during the addition of this raw water, there is also the addition of different chemicals like the chemicals of lime soda and coagulants. Outlet is there for the filtered softened water. Now this is the particularly about the construction. Now in working, first of all the water is added from the inner chamber which is a cylindrical one. So raw water and chemicals. So chemicals includes lime, that is calcium hydroxide, soda, that is sodium carbonate, which is in the calculated form. So in the calculated form it is added at the same time. Now when this with that lime and soda, the coagulants are also to be added. So during the addition of this particular water from this particular inner chamber till it gets settled at the bottom or it moves toward the lower side, total process of removing hardness is carried out, because here the stirrer is continuously stirring by using electricity, so speed is also there. So during that, this total mixture and all the reactions which are possible, we will see that afterward, that reactions are carried out in this inner chamber. Now when the water is settled or it moved toward the lower side, at that time it is not a simply water, hard water, but the soft water and those visible impurities are there that can be seen by naked eye, while the highest, those particulates which are heavier, that get settled at the bottom, which is narrower bottom, is there for the purpose of settling it down, and those water and with some fine impurities will move toward the upper side as continuously water is inserted at the central cylindrical portion. Now when that water is moving through this particular chamber, which is called as a wooden fabric filter, through this filter, those impurities which are finely scattered there, that can also be removed. So when that water move toward the upper side, all the impurities are totally removed, and at this particular portion here there is a outer chamber. Through this there is a place of filter which is for a softened water. So softened and filtered water is there, that through that particular opening it is removed. So in this way the water, which is a very hardware, lot of type of impurities can be removed. Generally those impurities which are calcium and magnesium type of salts are there, while here the chemicals like lime CaOH by 2, lime, and soda Na2CO3. So this lime and soda generally forms the calcium hydroxide, which is going to use the calcium sulfate, calcium carbonate type of impurities are removed, and here those Na2CO3 is there. So through this when this calcium carbonate is also removed, other different type of carbonates are there, and the sodium can remove a lot of another impurities in this to form the magnesium hydroxide, to form the calcium carbonate type of salts. But as they are visible, they can be easily removed. So in this way, this total process of lime soda is carried out, which is called as a continuous and cold lime soda process. Cold, it is because carried out at a room temperature. Continuous, it is because continuously process is going on. There is no any standby or no any disturbance. So continuously we can get a filtered water and softened water, and continuously we will have to add the water in it. So in this way this process is carried out. Thank you.